Selling ebooks online is a lucrative way to generate passive income. With the right strategy, you can earn up to $700 per day. Identify a topic you're passionate about or skilled in. Research trends using tools like Google Trends to find high-demand topics. Write an engaging ebook that offers real value. Use AI tools like ChatGPT or hire a freelancer for writing help. Use tools like Canva to design an eye-catching cover. First impressions matter. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing is a great start, but consider platforms like Gumroad to maximize profits. Leverage social media and blogs to promote your ebook. Collaborate with influencers for a larger reach. Set a price reflecting the value of your ebook. Testing different price points can help find the sweet spot. Create more ebooks to build a library and cater to various audience needs. Scale your success effectively. Bundle ebooks or offer exclusive bonuses to entice buyers. Start today for your journey to success.